Chicken wontons are a delicious Chinese dumpling typically filled with ground chicken, aromatics seasonings, then wrapped in thin wrappers and either steamed or fried. They are often served in broth as wonton soup or as a crispy appetizer with dipping sauces. Watch the full video to learn how to make these delicious, crispy and flavorful wontons recipes step by step. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chicken Wonton. In a food processor, add 200 grams of chicken minced, 3 to 4 green chilies, add 3 garlic and 1 inch ginger chopped, add 2 green onions, 1 capsicum, add 2 tablespoons corn flour in it, add a handful of coriander leaves, half teaspoon chili flakes, quarter teaspoon black and white pepper powder, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, add salt to taste, half teaspoon soy sauce, half teaspoon oyster sauce optional, half teaspoon Szechuan chutney, 1 chicken stock cube, add dash of sesame oil, chop it in a food processor. Scrape down the sides if needed. Grind until it reaches a fine texture. All ingredients are combined well. Remove in a bowl. Take some plain flour to make slurry. Add required water. Combine well. Slurry is ready. We will use this to seal wrappers. Take wonton or spring roll sheets and cut them into 3.5-inch small squares. Separate the sheets. Put 1 teaspoon of mixture in the center. Apply slurry. It will help to seal the wraps. If you're using wonton sheets, apply water instead of slurry. Wrap it as shown. Give it a wonton shape. Again, take the sheet. Add about 1 teaspoon of filling in the center. Brush slurry all the sides, or if you are using wonton, then dip your finger in water and seal the wrapper. Fold the wrapper into a triangle, pressing the edges to seal. Pressing out any air around the filling. Lightly push the center to make sure the filling sits well, then press the edges firmly. Bring the 2 bottom corners together and press to seal, or you can leave as a triangle. Put 1 teaspoon of mixture in the center. Apply slurry. You can fold it like this as well or shape it the way you like. Repeat the same procedure for all. Overlap to form a wonton shape and press it, then you have it perfect wonton shape. Quantity is enough to make 25 to 30 wontons. Make and freeze up to 1 month. Heat up the oil for frying. Place wontons. Fry on low to medium flame until nice golden brown. Flip occasionally. Remove it. Sprinkle green onions and coriander leaves. Serve with Szechuan chutney. Do try this super delicious recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.